I'm a dumbass because when I was packing up all the camera gear and shit, I brought the little wrist strap so I could strap the camera to it, and unfortunately, I left the one piece I need to attach the camera to the frickin' strap in my garage. So, and actually on the bike. What's up? K Street Moto here. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome to the channel if it's your first time. And hello from Budapest, Hungary. David and I flew out here with our wives and some friends to, well, have a little vacation. And my hand's shaking early morning. It's probably gonna turn out like shit. But we decided while we were here we were gonna rent some motorcycles and go riding around Hungary. So today is the day. We're going to pick up a couple of Harleys. I'm going to be riding I'm going to be starting out on a Nightster. They didn't have a lot of selection left, and kind of had to arrange it last minute and in person at the dealership because couldn't get the online kiosk to work for us over here because our postal codes are different. So long story short, we had to go to our dealership, and they only had 3 bikes left. They had an Ultra, which I wasn't going to ride, neither would David. They had a Nightster, and they have a Pan America. So David's starting out on the Pan America, I'm starting out on the Nightster, and at some point we're going to switch because we have the bikes for about 6 hours today. Kind of on a tight timetable. We're only here for a week. There's a lot of shit that our wives and everybody else wants to do. So they thankfully are out doing something that we weren't interested in doing, and we're getting ready to go and do something they weren't interested in doing. Coming along for the ride today is a really good friend of mine, a guy I've known for a long time who lives here, trained martial arts, and he's gonna be kind of leading the way. He's currently injured. He's got a training injury that he's dealing with, so unfortunately he's not gonna be riding with us. He's gonna take us to some cool places in Hungary today. We're gonna ride around. I'm gonna try and video as much as I can. The other downside to this is I'm a dumbass because when I was packing up all the camera gear and shit, I brought the little wrist strap so I could strap the camera to it, and unfortunately, I left the one piece I need to attach the camera to the frickin' strap in my garage. So, and actually on the bike. So yeah, I'm stupid. But I'm gonna try and get some video for you. I'm gonna try and carry the 360 camera away on me that I can just reach in, pull it out, and hit record and try and catch some stuff while we're rolling. At a minimum, you'll get some video of us when we're off the bikes. So next time you see me, I'll be at the Harley dealership. Like, subscribe, share with your friends, click the notification bell. See you soon. Harley Davidson, Budapest. What are we doing today, David?
We're riding Harleys in
Where
Budapest.
In Hungary, in Budapest. There we go. So I'll take you inside and let you see this dealer. It's pretty freaking cool. Oh, our little hummingbird. There's their dealer here in Budapest. There's the welcome area. What I'm going to be riding today to start the day out. The Nightster S. Pretty cool looking little bike. It's going to be interesting to ride something that isn't a touring motorcycle. It's a pretty good motorcycle. It was good. Here's our Hungarian host. Say hello, Tommy.
Hi.
And that's Maisie. Maisie.
Say hello, Maisie.
Say hello. Oh, good girl. And David's getting his bike checked out right now, and and shown, you know, kind of how everything works. So yeah, getting ready to get rolling. We're at Lake Balaton, just outside Budapest. So first impressions of this motorcycle, it's fun, it's quick, it's agile. One thing I hate about it is Harley engineers did not make a good decision with this. There's no reason to put a dipstick right by the shifting peg. You know how many times I've hit this thing trying to freaking downshift? Now that, in all honesty, it could be because I'm not used to. It's been a minute since I've ridden a bike that didn't have four boards, and you know, it wasn't set up for touring. But that's that. We're getting ready to get on the ferry. See you soon. Taking the ferry across Lake Balaton. There are the bikes down there. And there's our mascot for the trip. This is Maisie. Hey, Maisie. Oh. She's like, I'm good right here.
I sit here.
Yeah.
Cheers.
Dropped 10 degrees. Feels good.
I can imagine why.
Well, when we went through that town before we got to the ferry, that's where you took us that day to come here, hang out, and swim and stuff.
I like Fort Point. Most fresh, nice roads. We started that way, just a little bit from up.
Tihanya. Welcome to Tihanya. We just parked the bikes. Now we're going to spend some time walking around and looking at the sights. This is a pretty cool little thing. I've seen it before. It's a hill walking up to the cross, and it has each one of the stages of the cross is a little statue and I don't know what you call that, but a sculpture on the front of it depicting what stage of the cross is. This town's cool. Yeah. One of the big things they do here is lavender, and it's a monastery.
There's a lot of working here. By saving 100 years, it's same quality of the house, the same looking in the house.
Well, still way up there.
Making many things is lavender, the ice cream, the beer, everything.
You just wanted to come in and turn around, I guess. Out here a little bit. One level. Maisie having fun.
Always very good view in there.
That would be very nice.
Oh yeah. That's a phone. She also found it for some.
That was good. This is a koroboko.
Gyerekek lehet adakozni gombócán.
So, Pan America, initial impressions. Extremely agile, really quick. I like how high up the ground you are when you're riding it. High off the ground you are. I think it'd be great off-road. It's definitely peppy. Downsides, for me at least, pushes me forward too much and results in too much weight on my arms. David prefers it to the Nightster. Out of the two of these, if I bought a second bike, if I was going to buy one, this right here, Pan America, would be the one that I would buy, not the Nightster. The Nightster's a fun little bike to scoot around and bar hop on, and it's a good bike, but I wouldn't own one. All right. We are back at Budapest Harley Davidson, dropping the bikes off. We just dropped them off, and getting the hell out of here. It's a wonderful day. We did like 250 kilometers. We went up to Lake Balaton, and well, you've seen what we did. So always ride safe.
Yeah, ready? 1, 2, 3, shoot. Ah. Asshole.